Greetings. Welcome to a profound exploration of a financial strategy that has silently paved the road to prosperity for countless investors, the realm of dividend compounding. Unlocking the enigma of dividend compounding. What makes dividend compounding the alchemy of wealth creation? Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the intricacies of this financial phenomenon that has stood the test of time. Dividend compounding can be likened to planting a seed of financial growth, blossoming into a money tree that steadily bears fruit. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering not just size but substantial momentum over the years. The mesmerizing dynamics of dividend compounding. Let's delve into the enchantment that underlies the magic of dividend compounding. When you own shares in a dividend-paying company, the dividends received can be reinvested to acquire additional shares. As your share portfolio expands, so does your capacity to earn more dividends. It's a self-sustaining cycle where your capital begins working for you, creating a compounding effect that has the potential to significantly amplify your wealth. Unraveling the tapestry of time in compounding. Time is the silent architect behind the success of dividend compounding. The earlier you embark on this journey, the more potent the compounding effect becomes. Consider this scenario. You invest in a dividend-paying stock and choose to reinvest the dividends. Over time, your investment grows not just arithmetically but exponentially. The longer your capital remains invested, the more it multiplies through the enchantment of compounding. A voyage through a real-life illustration. Let's break down the magic with a tangible example. Suppose you allocate $10,000 in a dividend stock with a 4% yield. In the first year, you pocket $400 in dividends. By choosing to reinvest that sum, your investment expands to $10,400. Now, the following year, your 4% yield applies to the augmented amount, perpetuating the cycle. Immersing in the snowball symphony. The snowball effect is in full orchestration. Over time, you'll discern that your wealth accumulates at an escalating pace. Dividend compounding metamorphoses your initial investment into a thriving stream of income. Strategies to unleash the full potential of dividend compounding. How can you extract the utmost from this formidable strategy? Consistent investing. Regularly allocate funds to dividend-paying stocks or funds. Reinvest dividends. Opt for dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, to seamlessly reinvest your earnings. Diversification. Disperse your investments across various sectors to mitigate risk. Long-term perspective. Embrace a patient outlook. The longer your investment horizon, the more profound the impact of compounding. There you have it. The captivating universe of dividend compounding. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Begin early, persevere, and witness your wealth burgeon through the enchantment of dividend compounding. Until our financial paths cross again, happy investing.